Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is so good to see you today. I am David.
And hello everyone, I am Alice. We are very happy to be here with you today. How are you doing, David?
I am doing great, Alice. Thank you. Today, we are learning a massive topic. We are learning how to talk about yesterday.
Yes, today we are learning how to learn past simple now and stop translating in your head. Talking about the past is very important for daily conversations.
Exactly. Many beginners say, David, when I talk about my weekend, my brain stops. I try to translate the verbs from my native language and it takes too long.
Yes, it is very tiring. Your brain gets stuck trying to find the correct past form. Today, we will show you how to use the past simple automatically and simply.
Yes, we will. Before we start our journey into the past, please take one quick second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your clicks flow naturally into helping us create more slow, patient, and clear lessons for you.
Thank you so much for subscribing. Now, let us look at our first rule for talking about the past, regular verbs and the ed ending.
Perfect. For most verbs in English, the past is very friendly. We just add two letters to the end of the word, E and D. We call these regular verbs.
For example, the present verb is walk. In the past, it becomes walked.
Let us say that slowly together. Walked.
Another example is cook. Yesterday, I cooked.
Let us listen to that sound. Cooked. Notice that the ed sounds a little bit like a T sound at the end. Cooked.
Yes, many beginners say cooked with two syllables, but we do not say cooked, we just say cooked.
Exactly. No cooked here. Let us repeat it correctly. Cooked. Walked. Played. Watched.
Let us make a simple sentence about yesterday. Yesterday, I watched a movie.
Let us repeat that sentence. Yesterday, I watched a movie.
What about the verb clean, David?
In the past, it is cleaned. For example, I cleaned my room on Sunday. Let us repeat it. I cleaned my room.
Now, let us look at step number 2, the irregular verbs. These are the tricky verbs because they do not change with ed. They change completely. They are like little chameleons.
Yes, and because they change completely, beginners try to translate them from their native language. Don't do that. You need to connect the action directly to the past word. Let us look at the most common ones.
Verb number 1 is go. In the past, go becomes went.
Let us say it slowly. Went. For example, yesterday I went to the supermarket. Let us repeat it. I went to the supermarket.
Verb number 2 is eat. In the past, it becomes ate. It sounds exactly like the number 8.
Yes, it does. Ate. For example, this morning I ate breakfast at 7 a.m. Let us repeat it together. I ate breakfast.
Verb number 3 is drink. In the past, it becomes drank.
Drank. For example, I drank a cup of hot coffee. Let us repeat it. I drank a cup of hot coffee.
Verb number 4 is have. In the past, it becomes had.
Had. For example, I had a great time yesterday. Let us repeat it slowly. I had a great time.
This table makes the verbs look so clear and organized, David. Now, let us look at step number 3, making negative sentences. How do we say we did not do an action in the past? This is a huge helper for your brain. To make a negative sentence in the past, we use one magic phrase, did not, or the short version, didn't.
And here is the secret trick for your brain. After you say didn't, the main verb stays simple. It changes back to the present form. You do not use ed or the irregular form.
Oh, this is wonderful because your brain can relax. For example, positive is, I went to the park. Negative is, I didn't go to the park. Notice we use go, not went.
Yes, let us repeat that slowly. I didn't go to the park. Never say I didn't went. That is a classic mistake.
Yes, I didn't went hurts my ears. Let us say the correct version together. I didn't go. I didn't eat. I didn't watch.
Let us practice another one. Positive, I cooked dinner. Negative, I didn't cook dinner. Let us repeat it. I didn't cook dinner.
Now let us look at step number 4, asking questions in the past. To ask a question about yesterday, we start the sentence with another magic word, did.
Yes, and just like the negative sentences, the main verb stays simple and basic.
For example, you want to ask me about my breakfast. You say, did you eat breakfast? Notice we use eat, not ate.
Let us repeat that question slowly for our listeners. Did you eat breakfast?
Another example, did you watch the football match? Let us repeat it. Did you watch the football match?
Let us ask our listeners a simple question to test their brains right now. Imagine you want to ask a friend if they walked to school yesterday. What is the correct question using the word did? I will give you 3 seconds to think. David, what is the answer? The answer is, did you walk to school? Perfect. Did you walk to school? Your brain just needs to put did at the front. Now let us move to step number 5, real-life practice dialogues. We are going to do 2 small conversations about the past. Dialogue number 1 is about what Alice did last weekend. Let us listen closely. Hey Alice, what did you do last weekend? Hi David. On Saturday, I went to a beautiful park. I walked for 2 hours.
Oh, nice. Did you eat lunch there?
No, I didn't eat lunch at the park. I went to a small Italian restaurant and ate pizza.
That sounds delicious. Did you do anything on Sunday?
On Sunday, I didn't go out. I stayed at home and cleaned my apartment.
Sounds like a productive weekend.
Yes, it was. Notice how in our conversation I used went, walked, didn't eat, and cleaned. It flows so naturally.
Exactly. Now, let us do dialogue number 2. This is a conversation where David asks Alice about a vacation she took last year. Let us listen.
David, did you go on holiday last summer?
Yes, I did. I went to Spain for 1 week.
Wow, Spain. Did you like the food?
Yes, I loved the food. I ate traditional tapas every single day.
Did you speak Spanish there?
No, I didn't speak Spanish because I don't know any Spanish words. I spoke English and used my hands.
That is funny, but you had a great time, right?
Yes, I had an amazing time.
That was a beautiful example of using the past simple for older memories like last summer.
Yes, now let us do an interactive challenge with our global community to train their tongues and brains right now.
I love games. Listeners, listen to the present sentence and change it into a past simple sentence about yesterday. I will give you 3 seconds. David, tell them the answer.
The answer is, yesterday I drank tea. Let us repeat it. Yesterday I drank tea.
Sentence number 2, I do not watch TV. Change it to a negative past sentence. What is the answer, listeners?
The answer is, yesterday I didn't watch TV. Remember, use watch, not watched. I didn't watch TV.
Sentence number 3, you go to the beach. Change it into a past question. What do you say?
The answer is, did you go to the beach? Did you go to the beach? You are all doing a magnificent job today. If learning the past simple like this is helping your confidence, please click that like button right now.
Yes, click the like button to show us you are winning against the past tense. Now let us do our final slow and clear repetition round. Repeat after us aloud at home, everyone.
I walked.
I walked.
I cooked dinner.
I cooked dinner.
I watched a movie.
I watched a movie.
I went to the supermarket.
I went to the supermarket.
I ate breakfast.
I ate breakfast.
I drank coffee.
I drank coffee.
I had a great time.
I had a great time.
I didn't go to the park.
I didn't go to the park.
I didn't cook dinner.
I didn't cook dinner.
Did you eat breakfast?
Did you eat breakfast?
Did you walk to school?
Did you walk to school?
Did you have fun?
Did you have fun?
Sensational job, everyone. Your pronunciation is getting stronger, slower, and clearer with every single phrase.
Yes, your speaking muscles are working hard today. We are very proud of your progress.
We really are. Well, everyone, we are at the end of our lesson today. We want to build a real connection with you in our comments section before we leave.
Yes, we read every single comment you write. Today, we have a very simple past tense question for you to practice without translating in your head.
We can't wait to read your beautiful answers. Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with a friend who is practicing English.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today while cooking, driving, studying, or relaxing. Stay confident, practice your past verbs, and take care.